Hi, my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Facebook apps from Windows 11. So for this case, we have to go to the settings options. Here the settings. Then we will go to the apps. Here the installed app. We will click. Then we will search or find here. See here the Facebook apps which we have installed in our Windows 11. So here there have few options, advanced option, uninstall options. So let's check advanced option what it has. Here is the version specification, background and permissions, lots of things, default permission, termination. No need to worry about these things. We will just do the uninstall, then click three dots and we will click uninstall these apps and its related info will be uninstalled. It is doing and uninstalled. See, we will search Facebook apps. See, we will not find any kinds of apps Facebook apps. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.